Hello everyone. Myself Dr. Chaya Khilare from Dr. Pradeep Patil Arts and Science College, Risod, District Washington. And the topic of my seminar is apiculture. Apiculture is the branch of zoology that deals with the study of beekeeping. The bees means those honeybees, those bees, they are producing honey. So how how these bees are keeping, and how the honey produced by the beekeeping process, these all includes under the topic of apiculture. So the apiculture is the maintenance of honeybees in colonies by humans in order to collect the products like honey, bee wax, propolis, etc. And this the location of where bees colonies are kept, they called as a bee yard. जिथे आपण हनी ठेवणार आहोत त्याला म्हणणार आहे आपण bee yard. जसं की in naturally where the bees are get collected, where the bees are lived under the top tree, they call as a bee hives. In case of culturing artificially, it is called as bee ad. Honeybees are highly organized social insects. They live socially, they live in groups. The systematic position of honeybees that belongs into the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Apidae, and the genus Apis. Apiculture or the process or the thought have been practiced very much early years, that is 1300 before Christ. The medicinal importance of honey is mentioned in Quran, then Vedas, Puranas, Ramayanas, Mahabharatas, because honey is useful not only for the food or the taste food, but they are also used as a medicinally purposes. There are 4 species which we are using in case of bee culture, that is Apis dorsata, Apis sirena indica, then Apis florea, and then Apis mellifera. Apis dorsata is also called as the largest honeybee, and they are also called as the rock bee or the giant bee, because they are the largest bee in the whole honeybee family. They build large open comb onto the high branches of trees. They produces large quantity of honey, but these bees, they are very much difficult to domesticate. They are having high sting rate of high stings, which may be affect to the humans. So in generally, these bees or these flies we cannot culture artificially, because they are very much dangerous to handle. They can bite to the humans. So giant bees or the rock bees, they do not use as a culture of bees. They do not use for the culture of bees. Then we are having Apis sirena indica, or it is also called as Indian bee. They are medium size. Then the hive consists of several parallel combs in the cavities like trunks, other spots, etc. And these bees, they are not ferocious. They are very much domesticated. They are very much social bees, and we can easily culture for the collecting honey. Then we are having Apis florea. They are very small size bees. They build single small combs in bushes, small trees, hedges, etc. And the honey yielding from these bees, they are very much poor. Then last is the Apis mellifera, that they are also called as the European bee. They almost look like a Indian bee or the Apis indica. Then they has been introduced to many parts of the world, including India, and they are also domesticated. They are also social bees, which are useful for the collecting of honey, or useful for the bee culture. The bee colony, it consists of 3 parts. When there is a bee hives, the bee colonies, they are consist of 3 parts or the 3 castes. In general, they call it the 3 castes. One will be the worker. Then we are having drone, and then we are having queen bee or the queen bee, drone, and the worker. The strata, if we see in case of culture of bees, it will be the queen, then drones, and then workers. The queen bee is the only fertile female in the whole colony. There is only one queen is found in one half. एका मधमाशीच्या पोळामध्ये एकच तुम्हाला क्वीन सापडतं. So the queen bee is the only fertile female. Only one queen is found in one half. She is the largest in the size, and she doesn't have wax glands actually. She only lays the eggs. She doesn't work in the collecting of nectar, so she doesn't have any wax glands. She live about 3 to 4 years, and in the 4 years of lifespan, she may lay the eggs rate of 15 to 2000, 1500 to 2000 per day. So the main work of the queen is to just lay the eggs to produce more and more bees. Then we are having drones. The drones are the male member of the colony. Drones can live up to the 60 days, and they are also don't have sting and wax glands. They are developed from the unfertilized egg, and the duty of the drone is to fertilize the queen. So they are, after laying their eggs into the ovipositor of queen bee, they get die. Then we are having worker bee. They have well developed sting and hind legs, or they have the pollen basket for collecting pollen or the nectar. They perform different duties depending upon their age, which are if the worker bee are about 1 to 14 days, they actively inside the hive, such as cleaning the hive, feeding the larvae, etc. Then the worker bees which are 14 to 20 days, they are guard the entrance of hive, and 21 to 35 days they start to foraging. They start to collecting the nectar and the pollen grain from the surrounding. Then life cycle of honeybees. The 7 days old virgin queen goes out from hive along with some drones for mating, and this is called as the nuptial or the marriage period. The only one drone mate with the queen, and she stores the spermatophores in her spermatheca. Mating takes place while flying, and after mating, drone dies and queen returns to the hive. The queen has the ability to control the release of sperm from her spermatheca. Then these are the methods of beekeeping. The indigenous method of beekeeping is that this is the old method where the hives are fixed to the wall, or to the there are some movable hives. The hives, they might be fixed to the wall. This is the natural type of comb, because bees prepare the hive themselves from the wall of the trees. Then we are having movable hives. It comprises wooden box like this, and these traditional beekeepers catch clustered swarms from trees, bushes, etc., and transfer them to the above spaces. Then there are some modern techniques are available in case of bee culture or the apiculture, which given by Langstroth in 1851. Bee space is the optimum distance to be left in between the two adjacent comb surfaces. In a bee hive, it is essential for normal movement and functioning of bees. So there are different types of bees or different type of hives. In general, Apis mellifera was used by Langstroth, and Apis cerana, and this is a complete chamber, typical movable chamber given by Langstroth. It consists of stand, then bottom board, then brood chambers, then queen excluder, then supper, then inner cover, ही आतमध्ये inner cover असतं, then top cover. The stand is for the supports the bottom board. The bottom board is proper base. It forms the proper base for the hive and entering for bees. Then the brood chamber is used for rearing of broods, used for the eggs that frame the chamber in which bees can raise the combs. Here are the spaces, you can find spaces, so you can find the raised combs. Then we are having queen excluder. This is performed as zinc sheets assembled in such a way that workers can pass through the them to the queen cannot. Worker can pass to the queen excluder, but queen cannot pass from this chamber. Then we are having supper. It provided with the many frames containing comb foundation to provide additional space for expansion of hive. Then inner cover, a board which acts as a partition between brood and super chamber, and the top cover is a lid acting as a roof placed over the inner cover. Then these are some equipments which are useful for the apiculture. That is, this is used for is a comb foundation mill. It is used to prevent natural cell size of desired comb foundation sheet. Then bee veil, it is used for preventing from bee sting to the face or neck. Then smoker, used to calm down the bees while opening the hives. Then we are having uncapping knife, which are used for the scraping of honey or the extraction of honey. Then honey extractor, it is used for the extraction of honey from comb, and it functions to the principle of centrifugal force. Then these are the products of apiculture. Firstly, honeys. We all know the bees produces honey from the nectar of the plants through the enzymatic activity, regurgitation and the water evaporation. Medicinal importance तर आपण सांगायला नको आहेत, because we all know that honey used as a nutritious food rich in energy and vitamins, and medicinally it is used to prevent cold, cough and fever. Then bee wax is secreted by the wax glands located in the underside of the last 4 abdominal segment of worker bee. It is used for the candles, for the cream, lotion, cosmetic industries, and the formation of comb foundation. Then we are having royal jelly, the glandular secretion of young workers produced by the hypopharyngeal gland in the head. It is used in a treatment of diabetes, osteoporosis. It also aids in the healing of wounds and boosts immunity. Then we are having bee venom. It's a bitter colorless liquid containing proteins which causes local inflammation. It is used for the short for rheumatoid arthritis, nerve pain, multiple sclerosis, desensitizing of the people of allergic to bee stings. Then propolis is a resinous mixture that honeybees produce by the mixing of saliva and bee wax with exudate gathered from the tree birds. It is used for the seal to unwanted space in a hive and used to treat cough and throat irritations. Then these are the enemies of bees or the honeybees, that is wax moth, wasp, then beetles, birds. They can feed onto the honeybees. Then these are the diseases which are found onto the honeybees, that like acarine, Oraceus, American foul brood and nosema. These are some diseases. There are some agencies which are actively involved into the culture of honeys. In case of producing honeys, they like Agriculture Products Export Development Authority. Then we are having National Bee Boards, the Central Research and Training Institute Pune provide training in the campus or the beekeepers. Then Khadi and Village Industries Commission provide training and develop several proprietary technologies suited to Indian beekeeping in rural areas. So this is about the apiculture. I am going fast because you are having questioning pattern of MCQs. So we will be going fast to complete the syllabus. Okay? Sure. Thank you.